Hey, this is Scott Buscemi with 9 to 5 Toys, and today we're looking at a game-changing accessory for hybrid shooters. This is the Alter Rapid Filter System. This is one of those devices that sells itself. If you're a hybrid shooter who is constantly taking an ND filter on and off and on and off to go between photos and videos, you're going to see just how much better life is when using the RFS. As someone who shoots tons of videos and photos outside, I might screw an ND filter onto my camera over a dozen times in just a couple hours. Every time that I'd switch between video and photo mode, I'd have to swap out my ND filter in order to keep my 1/60th shutter speed, since I shoot at 30 frames per second. Now it's as easy as a flip up or a flip down. I took the RFS for a spin this week on Hollywood Boulevard and at a nearby farmer's market. Here you can see the difference between not having the ND filter and flipping it on. It's that quick. Record some videos, then switch back to photo mode, flip off the filter, and you're ready to take photos again. I use a variable ND filter which allows me to get the right exposure in many lighting environments, and the RFS has an ordinary filter thread that works with variable ND filters, normal ND filters, or basically any filter like a color balance disc even. Installation takes just a couple minutes at the most. There are additional tools included if you want to make the hinge even sturdier, and I've found that the magnets that keep it shut and the hinge that keeps it open stay in position after adjusting them. The magnetic closure ensures that no light leaks in, and I've never found it slipping open even during action shots. The RFS can even be mounted to the side if you have a shotgun mic attached to the top of your camera. Honestly, this is an accessory that is never leaving my lenses. You'll want to grab one for each of your lenses. You won't see any vignetting effect on prime lenses as wide as 18mm with the regular RFS, but they have other solutions like the RFS Plus available if you're going to be going even wider than that. If you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself, check out the Kickstarter. It ends in just a couple days, so if you're watching this later, be sure to check out alterrfs.com. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And of course, be sure to subscribe to 9 to 5 Toys for more camera gear reviews and other toys.